Hi guys, AR Malik here. Today we will learn how to change YouTube DP or YouTube profile picture. It's very quick and easy. If you are new, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's open up YouTube application. Click on your profile and bottom right corner. Now click on view channel. Now click on this pencil option to edit your photo. Here you can edit your name or your profile picture. Click on this camera, select a photo from your gallery. I select a random photo from here. I select this one. You can select your logo or any other picture. I select a random pic and adjust it. You can simply adjust it. When you adjust it, then click on save as profile picture. Now you have to refresh your YouTube by scroll down, profile photo updated successfully. Now go back and refresh your account here by scrolling down. Here you can see your photo has been changed. Like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.